Stanno facendo un buon lavoro perché effettivamente il lago era da salvaguardare e dovevamo fare qualcosa per salvaguardarlo veramente. I think they are working very well with these timbers inside the earth, all these stone. Here you cannot use a modern. So if you made a channel in armored concrete, it would have been a cheaper work, a quicker work, and longer lasting. But it would have been very, very ugly. And the sight of this beautiful country would be damaged, would be ruined by this, by something very modern. Fashion. All the way to make this kind of work, this is beautiful and makes the landscape, the sight of this landscape, even more beautiful and more interesting.
Oh,
Don't you think so?
That was good, absolutely.
Yeah. And they make something as good as this. At the end, you are really very well satisfied, and you forget your initial criticism. In the end, it is really very good. If wood is transformed into sort of petrified forest, sort of stone, this will last forever. But this is something which happened in Arizona. I don't know whether it will happen here too. Just think to Venice. Those timber are still down there.
But I thought that was special wood from Croatia.
Maybe, yeah, maybe. Maybe this is not as special as that. Yeah. And with that special wood from Croatia, we also make barrel for wine because it is really special. Yeah. Ok, ciao, ci vediamo la prossima volta e faremo un piccolo commento al lavoro finito, ok?
Okay, a few words of wisdom, Leon.
Just one.
One.
Wonderful.
Stone by stone, just beyond the walls, there's always so much